Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th, chapter 9, boxes and sketches, part 2. Students, what you're going to learn from this video? From this video, you will be able to match the maps with the deep drawings. Okay, the maps which are being the 2D figures, right, which you can draw it on a simple single thin paper, but the deep drawings are the things which you can convert it into the boxes shape. Okay students, so what we are waiting for, let us begin. Students, now the topic is boxes and boxes. Now all the boxes are not cubes, as I have told you that in the previous video I explained you about the cuboid and the cube, right? I told you that the erasers, your compass box, all are in the shape of cuboid, right? And the dice which you play, which you play when you are going to play that Ludo, then snakes and ladder, and the dice which you are using, that dice is actually in the shape of a cube. A cube is a square from all the sides. Now students, all boxes are not of only cube or cuboid shape. The boxes may be different. For example, I can tell you that some of the boxes are coming as a cone, some in the form of a pyramid, some in the form of cylinder, and some in the form of a triangular prism. Okay students, so all boxes are not cubes. Here are some different kinds of boxes. Now what you have to do, you have to match the shape on the left with a box into which it will be folded. That means here up and down is there. Now this is a triangular box students, as you can see. So when you are going to unfold it, okay, आप अगर इसे ओपन करेंगे, खोल देंगे, तो इसका शेप इन 4 में से किसके साथ मैच होगा, वहाँ पे आपको उसको मैचिंग करना है. नाउ एज वी कैन सी, इसके ऑल 3 साइड्स जो होंगे ना, वो एक रेक्टेंगल हैं, और जो उसके लेफ्ट और राइट साइड के जो कवर्स हैं वो ट्राइंगल हैं. यानी इट इज़ मैचिंग विद दिस. सी 3 साइडेड फिगर विथ 3 रेक्टेंगल्स एंड द साइड फ्लैप्स are of triangle. So what we are going to do, we will match this with this. Okay, now the next one is a cone, which is matching with this circle. We know this is a circle, and circle matches with this kind of circle, right? So this cone is going to match with this figure. Now it is a pyramid which is having one square base. You can see this side is only and only square, and from all sides triangular sides are there. All the walls are, you might have seen an Egypt pyramid. The Egypt pyramid are square from the base, and all the 4 walls are in the shape of a triangle. So this is the correct figure for this cube, right, or this kind of box, which is having the square base and all the 4 walls. When we are going to fold them, इसको जब हम फोल्ड करेंगे तो they will stand upright and they will come and merge at the top. इस तरीके से जंप यहाँ पर आके पीक पर आकर वो दोनों सब all 4 walls क्या हो जाएंगे, जुड़ जाएंगे. So this is matching with this, and this is a simple cylinder with no caps, or we may say no ceilings. Here also cap is not there, and here also base is not there. So it is an open cylinder from both the side, and when you are going to open it, it will definitely will match with this. Students, I hope you understood this thing very well. Okay, now let us move ahead. Student, the new topic is now floor map. What do you mean by floor map? As I told you that the blueprints of any constructions of houses or buildings, they give you the floor map, and that floor map is here. It is not of any kind of apartment or building. It is a single house floor map. That is the top view. From top, if you are going to watch the house, it is looking like this. From top we can see that here is the door of the house. There is one, gapping is there, means a little, this wall is little bit inside. From back side also the wall is little bit inside, and both the walls are opposite to each other, and both are having the windows opposite to each other. One wall of the room is here which is having no window. Then this is the whole whole house, one room and second room. This might be the big hall. Now as you could see, the halls, all four walls are here with no wall here, but this is having one wall is having door here and window at the center of the wall, and this side also the window is there, but it is at the back side of the wall, whereas this wall is having no window. Now we have studied whole map. For making a house, a floor map is first made. Have you ever seen a floor map? Here is a floor map of Vibha's house. It shows where the windows and the doors are in the house. Okay, so I have explained you this. Now we'll move ahead. Which is the front side of her door? How many windows are there on the front side? Now here figure A, figure B, figure C and figure D is given. Now among this we have to find some of the things. Now look here. The first question is, which is the front side of her door, of her house, sorry. How many windows are there on the front side? Now this is the front side where the door is there, right? And how many windows does the front side have? The front side have 1 and 2 windows. So we can write here 2 windows. Okay. Now from the floor map we cannot make out what her house really look like or how high the windows are. So we look for a special way of drawing the house, which is deep, to show the length, width and height. Here are 4 deep drawings. So when you create something 3D, that means all 3 directional. Here only floor is given, but we cannot come to know how the really house look like. So from front view, the house is like this. All these are deep drawings. Now which one is Vibha's house? A, B, C and D is given to you. Now we have to select the correct one. Okay, now we'll start observing every figure one by one. So here is the door and 2 windows. This side is matching. Could you see here? This side is matching, right? Inside wall is having 1 window and outside wall is having a door and a window. This is matching. But look backside. Backside the wall is again having outside and a little bit inside. See the backside here. It is continuous. That means the gap which is formed here, it is not given in this. So A is not the correct figure. Okay. Now we'll move here. See here. Here little inside, here little inside. Here is the window, correct, as shown here. Here is door and window as shown here. Now look here. Here one window is shown on this side of wall. Now this side is actually in floor map here. Any window is shown here? No, there is no window here. That means this is also incorrect because here no window is there. We'll come and see this side. Inside wall, inside wall. So correct from here. It is inside, inside. 2 walls are having, opposite walls are having windows. So opposite wall it is not seen, not seen here, but this side window is seen. So correct. Okay, now outside wall is having door and window. So here also outside wall is having door and window. And could you see this window? Now this window is actually towards the back side of this wall. So here also this wall and towards back side. See, it is very back. So yes, this is the correct figure. Now we'll discuss about this. Inside wall, correct, right? Here one window and outside wall is having the door. Done. Now look at this window. What is wrong in this? You know, the window shown here is actually in the center of the wall. You can see it is right at the center. but in our floor map the wall is not having window at the center, but it is having toward the back side corner. So this makes the figure wrong. Okay, so from A, B, C and D, which one is Vibha's house? C is Vibha's house. Okay, and why they do not match with the other? I just now discussed it with you. Okay students, I hope you understood how to see the map. This is called the map, and these are the deep drawings. Okay, let us move ahead. Okay students, I am going to solve this puzzle for you. Now as you can see, the puzzle is having one cutout of one of the dice. See, these are the dices. Now A, B, C, D, E dices are there. You have to match which one is correct and which one is incorrect. So this kind of cuttings I already made it. See, right? 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Correct. Now let us fold it. So I am going to fold it so that it can form in the shape of a cube. Now we have to observe it from all the angles as shown here. Now here how it is shown, 3 on the left, 3 dots on left side, 1 dot on right side and 2 dots up. So let me show you like this. The figure is looking like this, right? Could you see? 3, 1, 2. So this is correct? Yes, this is the correct deep drawing given. This is map. This is the map and this is deep drawing. Now let us see this one. If we turn 3 towards left, 2 dots toward right. So 3 towards left, see, 3 towards left, 2 towards right, but 1 does not come up, 6 dots comes up. Okay, if 1 I want it up, see, if 1 I want on the upside, how it look like? 2 here, 3 here and then 1 up. So this is the wrong figure, right? Because when I match it like this, 3 with 2, 1 dot does not comes up, 6 dot comes up. So this is wrong one. Okay, now let us look at this one. 5 dots are on the left side, 2 dots are on the right side. So see, when I turn it is like this, 5 and 4. When I turn it like this, 5 and 6. When I turn it like this, 5 and 3 and 6. See, this is not matching. 5 is matching with 5, 6 dots up matching with this 6 dot, but here 2 dots are not there, here it is 3 dots. So again C is the incorrect one. Okay, now let us see this one. 1 dot here, 4 dot up, 5 dot on the right side. One dot, then 5 dot and 4 dot. Okay, so let me hold it for you. See, 1 dot, 5 dot and 4 dot. Yes, if you are going to see the cube like this, it is been possible, right? 1 dot, 5 dot and above 4 dot. So here this figure is also correct. Now let us see for this one. 3 dots, 2 dots and 6 dots. Okay. Three dot, 6 dots and 2 dots. Look here, 3 dots, 2 dots as it like this and above 6. So even this is correct. I hope student you understood that how to match the correct figure. Okay, now let us move ahead. Students, our new topic is matchbox play. Here is one bridge made up of matchbox. You can try this at your home by doing the activity by yourself. Here Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya made this bridge using the matchboxes. Now this matchbox is made. Could you see above yellow, 3 boxes are taken. These 2 are red and this is again a yellow one. And here is 3 red matchbox, then red, yellow and combination of red and yellow. All 3 red, yellow, red, yellow, right? So like this all bridge is made. Now look here. The bridge look like this to this boy when he is actually standing. So when he is standing, Praveen and Pratigya made a drawing of the bridge. Okay, so here this Praveen can see the bridge like this. Now which view is this when above and or 4 pillars of the bridge you can see here? Actually this is front view. What it is? Front view. Okay, this is the front view. And the bridge look like this to this girl, that is Pratigya. By her drawing is like this. Okay, from your drawing I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. So from this is Praveen, and when when Naveen made it, from here he can, this boy, the another friend was Bhaskar. So Bhaskar can see only what? That I can only see that the top and the pillars are there, but how much wide it is I cannot see. I can see height, I can see the length of the bridge, I cannot see the width. So what this Pratigya did, she made it, she watched the bridge from this side, that is side view. So this is side view. Okay, and side view can be seen with 3 match boxes standing and 1 like this. So this 3 boxes and 1, the top view of this can be seen when she is watching from the side. Students, understood? Now depending on this activity, here 2 questions are there. If you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look? Choose the right drawing below. A and B are given and you have to select the correct one. So matchbox, if you are going to see it from top, see from top yellow, red, yellow, and here all are brown, because matchbox from top, they are not of this width, they are not this much breadth, they are having this much breadth, and all the colors are shown here, yellow, 2 reds and 1 yellow, correct? So from top, that means from above, if you are going to see the bridge look like this but not this. Okay students? Thank you students for watching the video so calmly, so patiently. I hope you have understood the whole chapter 9 boxes and sketches very well, and you will be able to solve such kinds of questions. If it is there for you in your next class, you will be able to solve it. Okay students, so you will be able to see how the things look like from top, from front and from the side. So have a nice day ahead and have a good day ahead. Goodbye.